What we've gained is we've established a new platform, a new Dynamics implementation approach for how we want to manage things going forward. Really set a new standard for the organization on how to deploy a vanilla version of Dynamics and to really rely on the configuration or integrated solutions to manage the business. So I think that was probably one of the biggest accomplishments that we've made. And then going forward, continuing to make across the board improvements without making customization. Well, I think it's given us an opportunity to rethink how to use the system. We have really started looking at other capabilities that are offered with the out-of-the-box Dynamics system. With Power Automate and Power Apps, we're really looking at developing around those new capabilities, and we're actually in the process of developing our first Power App that will really streamline our shop floor process. And I think the goal is to continue to innovate through integration and what is available with the current solution. So I think we're just beginning to exploit what the capabilities are. And we continue month by month to review what's available. We work closely with Alithya to help us understand how to use these parts of the system that haven't been really exploited yet. We're heavily invested in Microsoft platforms. UMBRAGROUP was actually the very first Dynamics 365 F&O deployment that Microsoft had, and worked very closely with our headquarters in Italy to deploy that many years ago. We continue to invest in Microsoft platforms and utilizing not only the Dynamics platforms, but the Office 365 side of things as well. We have many projects on both sides of the Microsoft cloud platforms, and then hopefully we'll begin to integrate some of those as we move forward.